So mga day, let's be back on track and let's travel again. Let's go! So mga day, this is our activity place here in Mandarin. And we are going to have a food expo here. And these are the food that we'll be presenting using our products. So in the next view, you will be seeing our people talking about their product. These are one of the activities that we are doing mga day. We are doing a product presentations of our product, kung unsaon sila paggamit, and unsay mga strategy para nindot ang product nga ilahang ma-release sa kitchen. Actually, our audience here are the restaurants chef, hotel chef in the big hotels and restaurant in Western Visayas. So in this time, we are presenting our products. So, I will write and ask an apology for that. But they are coming. Sabi ko kung anong naluto na, we will run you through while we are talking about our products. Thank you everyone, and sit back, relax, and we'll enjoy the food. So, with me are our marketing specialists. We have Miss Pia Jane Liang and Miss Shella May Padrin Yela. They will be the one to discuss. And of course, I'd like to also acknowledge the presence of our Territory Sales Manager, Mr. Gail Sotero, for coordinating everybody. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bakit? Kasi meron na sila sila eh. Napapakil na nga nila eh. Ano pa po yung isa? Bukod sa 2 kg?
Apa. Yan.
Ay, sir.
Pero natawa ko. Why? Oo nga. Ang ganda. Pero ayaw ko pag ito yung parents ko, bahay ng parents ko, hindi ka makakalabas, ang daming gate.
Ang daming gate.
Very strict. Magiging old maid ka talaga.
Basta-basta pumasok.
Oo.
Wala appointment.
Oo, kung manliligaw ka, kailangan ng appointment.
Diyan ako nagtatrabaho dati.
Saan?
Garden Cafe.
Good afternoon po. Charutot. Uy, hapuran. Sa mga hapon din hino.
Hapon.